everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Dot & Key Barrier Repair Face Cream with Ceramides. It claims that it is made up of 5 essential ceramides. It also has probiotics and Japanese rice extract, which helps to bring back that healthy skin barrier. So in this video today, we are going to disclose each and every ingredient used for its formulation, and we're gonna see why is it such a hyped and bestseller product. For those of you all who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, everyday vlogs, as well as art videos. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. Okay, now let's just jump into the ingredients and see what are the different ingredients. So the first one is water, then there is capric triglyceride. This is a derivative of coconut oil as well as the glycerin. It helps with the emollient properties to retain that moisture into the skin. The next one is glycerin, which is a humectant, helps with the absorption of water from the surrounding and helps it to penetrate into the skin. The next one is also glyceryl stearate, which acts as a humectant and also as an emollient. Then there is cetyl alcohol. This is a fatty alcohol acting as an oil-based ingredient. Then there is dimethicone and dimethicone cross polymer. Dimethicone and dimethicone cross polymers are a silicone-based ingredients. Now, what does this do? Silicone-based ingredients help all the other ingredients to sit on the top layer of the skin. Now, silicone acts as a bridge. It acts as a protective barrier so that all the ingredients, rest of the ingredients can do its job on the layer of the skin. So kind of all the rest of the ingredients come in between, and then there is a dimethicone barrier which is protecting these ingredients and not letting them get washed away or just gone away from the skin and not do their job properly. Then there is hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is definitely 1% or maybe around 1% to 0.5%. It is high amount of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a very powerful humectant. It helps to grasp water from the surrounding. It's much more efficient than all the other humectants like glycerin. Then there is propanediol, there is propylene glycol. These all are humectants, but hyaluronic acid takes the crown when it comes to the humectant properties. Then there is chain of ceramides, and ceramides are essential bridge between the two skin cells which help with the water loss. Especially someone suffering from transepidermal water loss should incorporate ceramides into their routine. And here they have 5 different ceramides. So the first one is ceramide 1, ceramide 2, ceramide 3, 4, and 6, 2. So these all are plant-derived ceramides. They help to hold the two skin cells together. They act as a lipid bridge between two skin cells. It is essential because when there is dry skin type, what happens is that the bridge between two skin cells is lost. And that is when the water is going away from the skin, and that's why you have a dull skin, your skin doesn't hold water enough. So the ceramides just help you with having a healthy skin barrier by building that lipid bridge between the two skin cells. After ceramides, there is lactobacillus ferment as well as rice bran ferment. Rice bran ferment is a very popular Japanese ingredient. All the Japanese skincare go with the rice bran ferment. It helps with the reduction of the fine lines, help with having a proper glow on the skin. It helps with the antioxidant properties as well. Whereas the lactobacillus ferment now, it helps with improving the hydration, as lactobacillus ferment have the metabolites that help the skin to get all the essential metabolites so that it can have a proper healthy functioning. And the difference between lactobacillus ferment is that it helps with the hydration, and the rice bran ferment is that it helps with the antioxidant and reduction in the fine lines. So this is how the balance goes, and I really like this formulation. There is no fragrance in it, there is no denatured alcohol. It's excellent for the dry skin type. Then there are different plant derived oils. There is coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba seed oil, and that is like the blend of all plant-based oils, which means that you need to do a patch test because you don't know how you would react. Usually I'm a big fan of coconut oil and I use it every day on my skin. It doesn't leave too clogged pores because I have normal to very dry skin type, so it works wonderful for me. But when I see these different types of oil, which means that the coconut oil is not good for combination skin or to the oily skin type. It can lead to clogged pores. It can lead to formation of sebaceous filaments, and that is not really good for you. So if you have combination to oily skin type, please don't use this product. This formulation is not for you. Then there is vitamin E types, that is tocopherol and tocopherol acetate. They both act as an antioxidant, helping to remove the free radicals efficiently. And it also acts as an emollient to retain the moisture into the skin. Now let's talk about my thoughts on this product. I love the ingredient list. I love the formulation. I have used this one, and when I tried it, it is a thick consistency, so it doesn't go well with the oily skin type. If you have oily skin, please don't purchase this product. Rather go for some other products which are not having any comedogenic ingredients. This is excellent for normal to very dry skin type, and yes, it has all the essential ingredients to bring back that healthy skin barrier and to repair it properly. The ceramides are 5 different ceramides which are essential to help have that proper functioning of 2 skin cells together and having a healthy skin barrier. I absolutely love this formulation and I would recommend it to everyone to try it and just purchase this product. It is an excellent formulation. I absolutely love it. I give this product a thumbs up, and this product formulation rocks. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below and also reach out to me on my Instagram handle. And thank you very much for watching again. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.